I see all 24 college students in a freshman seminar class, and that tells me I am talking about a population. When I get around to finding the population, it needs to be, or when I get around to finding the standard deviation, it needs to be for the population. So I will be finding mu, and I will be finding sigma for the mean and the standard deviation. Clear that data first, because we used this already. So slide over to clear data, push enter, go back in, make sure it's on one var, and then push data. Now I'll start entering 0.8, 42.2, I've entered all my data. I'm just double checking. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And I did enter 24 data points, so I'm pretty sure I got them all. And now I can go to the stat var. And it's going to calculate. And my n is 24. That's good. My x bar, 10.8583. And my standard deviation, remember we decided this was a population, so this one's for a sample, the first one, and the second one is for the population. It has the sigma. So I need sigma, which is going to be 10.1497, because after this 6 comes an 8, so I'm going to have to bump it up to 7. So there's my mean and my standard deviation. I need the range, I need the mode, and I need the median. To find the range, I need the largest and the smallest values, and I see the 42.2 and the 0.5, so I'll just subtract them. 42.2 minus 0.5. 42.2 minus 0.5, and I get 41.7 for my range. For the mode, I'm looking for any data points that are repeating. And it's going to be hard to figure out without ordering, so I might just go ahead and order 0.5, 0.8, 36.7, and 42.2. So once I get the data written out, then I can look for modes, and I did find one, 3.7, and I'll just scan through again. I think that might be the only mode. So my mode is 3.7. The median then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 off of each end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then maybe another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's my two middle values, so I need the average of them. 7.3 plus 8.9, and then divided by 2, 8.1. So my median is 8.1. When I look at my results, it looks like my mean is larger than my median, and my mode is very small. So that kind of tells me that my data is probably skewed to the right, because that 10, the value of 10, is being pulled away from the 8.1 towards the tail, so it's probably skewed right. And then the big tall part here is way to the left, 3.7. So that's kind of what I expect to see when I have a skewed data set. And if I look at the actual data, I do have a couple, well, the 42 and the 36 are very large compared to all the other numbers of tweets. And so that's probably what's pulling my mean way off to the right. Okay, so we needed to find the mean, the standard deviation, the range, the mode, and the median.